So now we know how to insert two rational numbers between 2 or 3 or any number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. In this session we are going to discuss about how we can insert irrational numbers between two rational numbers. So let us start with one example. So in our example, question is insert two rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 5 by 6. As we know, since this can be expressed in the form p by q, they are rational numbers. So our question is to insert two irrational numbers, not rational numbers. Insert two irrational numbers between 3 by 7 and 5 by 6. So for that, first step, convert the given numbers to decimal form. That is, when we divide 3 by 7, we got it as 0.42857 and it is repeating again. So it is non-terminating recurring. And when we take 5 by 6, that is 0.8333 and 3 is going on. It is repeating. So these are the decimal expansion of two numbers. And second step we can do in two ways. First, we take a smaller number and add 1 to n1 or 2, any number we can. Here I take 1 or 2 or 3, any number. Just add any number to any of the digit. Okay. So here I added 1 to this fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth place there is a 1. So in the sixth place I added 1, so it became 2 and it is continuing. And in the second number also it is, I added one more, that is becomes 3. So I indicate that in red color. Okay, so just change one number in between. So you will get a higher number. And don't subtract. If you subtract, it doesn't become in between the rational numbers. So just add to the smaller number. Or you can do in the other way, subtract from the greater number. Same way. So you can subtract 1 or 2, any number from any of the digit of the decimal expansion of the greater number. So these are the two ways that we can add if the fraction is given. In the next example, we are thinking about or discussing about what if the given numbers are in decimal form. So here there are two numbers, 2.567 and 5.369. So here we don't need to convert it to decimal form. And we know that irrational means non-terminating, non-recurring. So we just need to add a number to the smallest number and write some more numbers randomly after that and make it non-ending. Here what I do, I just change the 6 to 7, so it is increased. And after that I added some numbers randomly, so it is continuing. So now it becomes a rational number. And the second one, instead of the 6, I leave 6 unchanged. I just add 1 to the 7, so it becomes 8, and so it is not a solid rule like we need to add only to the decimal part. We can add the whole part also. In the third one, we can see I add 1 to 2, so I got 3 point some number is there. Make sure that when you are adding the numbers in the whole part or anywhere, it doesn't exceed the higher number or the greater number. That's the thing that we have to take care when we are adding.